So guys, this is what we should be expecting for the day on our gold. So let's do an in-depth analysis of what gold will be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for us for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, pay attention to this moment, guys. I want you guys to pay attention to this moment on your gold. Our overall trend on gold is an uptrend. This is our overall trend. The movement, it is an uptrend. We are very much trending to the upside. It is very much bullish, right? Now, if you pay attention to this also, you will see that markets literally have been giving us a multiple rejection at this level, right? Whereby market was able to push up. It did give us a pullback to tap this level. It gave us a rejection and bounced up, right? Market then came back again to tap the support level. It rejected from the support level and bounced up, right? Market eventually dropped again to tap the support level. So with this support level, market is currently at the support level. We will be expecting a rejection also from the support level that will eventually make markets what? Bounce up. So above all, a bullish move is what you should be expecting on our gold. So we should expect gold to actually reject from this support level and push up. So if you are not yet in the buy, look to go in for the buy. But if you are in the buy, you can still do it for your buy setup as there is a potential movement to the upside. Above all, more updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share. Make your comments and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.